Alrighty, g'day, how you going? It's Corey here again from EXP Realty. We've got another property here in Burton, perfect for first home buyers, downsizers and investors. So if you're looking for a property like this, now it is a little bit different. Originally it was a 3-bed, 1-bathroom home, but the owners have the enclosed garage space and they've turned it into either a 5-bed, 1-bathroom home, or you can say 4-bed with dual living areas. So we'll go on the inside and check it out soon, but quickly, I just want to show you the front yard. This is what it looks like. So even though you've enclosed the garage space, you still do have parking and provisions for off-street parking here and right here as well. If in case you have a camper trailer or something like that, you can put it here as well. But yeah, plenty of parking on this property, so you don't really even need the garage space. But if you don't want those additional bedroom, you can go ahead and reconvert it back into a garage space. Now, just quickly, this property is built in 2008 with an internal living of 115 squares and a land size of 331 squares. So we're going on the inside, giving you the full grand tour. And I'll close this door so it doesn't slam on us. We'll go down this way soon, but first, this is the master bedroom. So we've got Chris out there having a chat. As you can see, plenty of natural lighting. Can definitely fit a king-size bed here as well. Now behind this door, we do have the walk-in robe all the way through to the bathroom as well. So it's a 2-way bathroom. It's a pretty straightforward home. It does have solar as well, solar power. And this would be bedroom number 5, or you could turn it into the second living space if you didn't need those bedrooms. Now on the right here, we've got the separate toilet, laundry and wash area. So this is what it currently looks like. Again, that's what I was talking about the separate entry from the master bedroom. So again, this property is perfect for first home buyers, downsizers and investors looking for a property in Burton. That's the bedroom number 4 right there. We've got laundry with access to the outside. And bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 2 and bedroom number 3 have built-in wardrobes as well. So very convenient. Cool thing about this property, it does have this little courtyard area that you could turn into like a little alfresco for your morning coffees and all those bits and pieces, or even have pets around there as well. Now, this is the open plan living to dining and kitchen. You've got a U-shaped kitchen, 600mm gas cooktop, Westinghouse appliance, gas appliance. You've got your dishwasher as well, cupboard storage, as well as double basin sink. Provision for a fridge, or fridge alcove. So that's what it looks like. Now, we sold this property about 2 years ago, and the owners want to put it back onto the market due to the growth in Burton, which has gone absolutely hammer and tongs. But look at this. So you might not notice, but well, you can see in the video, but basically the owners have added this retaining wall here, the veranda, and this paved area. So originally, when we sold it 2 years ago, it didn't have this. So that's an improvement they did on this property. And that's pretty much it, guys. So if you're looking for a property like this, get in touch with me. My name is Burton from EXP Realty, 0427 731 994. Bye for now.